Morichi. This is your girl J Baby, and welcome back to the channel. So today's video is going to be on Morichi 4x4 HD lace closure wig. Okay, so last week I did a video unboxing on this hair right here, and it's a body wave, but it wasn't as wavy. So I told you that I was going to go ahead on and put some crimps in it. I wanted some soft crimps inside of this hair. So y'all, this hair is like so manageable. I have been wearing this hair for a whole week and I really love it. The last time I did have like a little swoop here and a swoop there, and I will post a picture that way you'll be able to see. I'll probably post a picture on the unboxing this right here as well, the Morichi lace wig as well. Now we talking about a 4x4 lace closure, guys. So I went on and used some cream in the parting. I went on and add extra baby hair. I put it down with Bold Hold and liquid gold, and I used also the Eco Styling gel, and I used the Got To Be gel, and I also used Shea's Balm wax stick. So if you guys would like to know how I got these soft crimps, they are really soft, y'all. They're not hard. They're really soft. I don't like hard crimps. I really don't. I just like to enhance the body wave. That's it. So if you would like to know how I got this style looking glorious the way it is, honey, just keep on watching. Okay, y'all, so I already did this wig install before, you know, so y'all already know about where everything is at. So what I'm going to do is just go ahead on and install her. She's very, very form-fitting and good, but she could be big head friendly. I just tightened it up really, really tight. So this is how she's looking after I installed her from the last time, honey, and I went on and, you know, just refreshed her. And I'm gonna go ahead on and just pop some music on for you guys, and you guys just sit back and enjoy the video, okay? Okay, guys, did you enjoy the video? I hope you guys enjoyed the video because I really enjoyed doing it. But I'm gonna tell you, these are Revlon crimping irons right here, and this is the one that I started to use. If you can see the difference in them, I started to use like the big ones, but I didn't really want a big crimp. I just wanted something that was nice and soft, a nice soft crimp. And these right here are from Bedhead TIGF Wave Artist, and these are very different from your typical ones right here. So actually, you know, you got to open it up so you can be able, you know, let me open it up. That way you'll see. You have to, it's a little knot right there that you can open it up and it goes like this. We talking about some big wave curls that you can do with your body wave hair. Because, honey, sometimes all body wave hair is not made the same, okay? But I just wanted something soft and nice. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I am actually going to be putting down a coupon code. That way you can get your hands off on this 4x4 body wave. And actually, they have so many other wigs that you can be able to buy on their website. Just check them out. But I will have a coupon code down. I'll probably have it on the screen. That way you could be able to get it. Y'all, I'm in love. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead on and post some Instagram pictures. That way you will be able to see the full effect of it. Girl, when you get your hair done, you have to put some Instagram pictures down, okay? So I will put all of their website handles for you guys. That way you could be able to, honey, just check them out on Instagram, check them out on Facebook, check them out Twitter, check them out wherever they are, honey. And go on YouTube, and they also have other people who have reviewed their hair, and this hair is really nice. It's really nice. I didn't get like a whole lot of shedding and stuff like that. It's really nice. So you know, like J Baby says, be blessed and not stressed, and J Baby is signing off. Mwah.